Like the toy buddy?
What up, Husky homies? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with my boy Stu. Say hello, Stu. I don't have a treat in there. He's looking for treats. Cause I have a Barkbox. This Barkbox came from. I know you guys are like, oh, why is Stu always so depressed in all your videos? Well, because there's not a Barkbox in the video. That's why. No, just kidding. He only does stuff for treats. He only works for treats. So you're about to see him really happy because he knows that this has a bunch of treats and toys in it. Barkbox is amazing. It's a subscription service and they give us a box every month. This is not a paid advertisement whatsoever. I just absolutely love them so much because they send me a box every month and we're gonna open it, right, buddy? There's a link in the description also if you want to get your own Barkbox. And make sure you use the coupon code SteelHusky. You get something off, I don't know, you get whatever. Here we go. They do themes too, so I think this is probably, I'm guessing, a Halloween theme since it's October. Let's see. Right, Stu? Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Well, that was an epic failure. Look at that. It is Halloween themed. There's a bunch of toys and treats and everything, and it's like, it's totally worth it. It's only like, I think like 24 or so, but with my code, you probably get it much cheaper. You don't have to go to the store and buy treats and everything. They're all made in the USA. Totally amazing. Look at this, grain-free for Steel. Bunch of toys and treats. What is this? Oh, it's a cauldron. Halloween theme. Oh, you like that? Here you go. Oh, there's these treats, and then there's a bully stick usually, and then there's another treat bag, and another, it looks like a living dead toy. Look at this. There's a lot of cool stuff in here. Steel has like a whole basket of toys and treats and stuff. Since he gets these every month, he has like a huge basket of toys, and some of them survive, some of them don't. Some of them are more durable because he loves to tear them up and take the squeakers out and stuff. So a lot have survived, and we have like a whole basket. Steel's like really spoiled with his Barkbox. Really, these are awesome. These are trick or treat. These are trick or treat treats, grain-free. Ooh, these smell good. It smells like Halloween, huh, Steel? Is it weird that I walk him around with this shirt on when I'm walking outside in public and have a shirt of my dog? They might think I'm kind of obsessed. What? Ready? Catch it. Oh, you got it. Good job. Looks like a squirrel. Good boy. Okay, see ya. Peace out. Let's get home.
Like a toy store? I think he likes it. Oh. Are you taking the squeaker out already? Are you taking the squeaker out already? Don't do it, Stu. Squirrel? Squirrel? Look, these are all Steel. I'm trying to talk here. These are all Steel. They're all over the place. This is a basket of toys, all from Barkbox. Look at all these. This is so much. All saved here. These are the ones that survived. If you didn't take the squeaker out, I kept them. So yeah, pretty cool. Right, Steel? Pretty cool, huh? Yeah.